Hi everyone. In this demo, I'll walk you through the Hanaya routing optimization solution and the overall project end to end, including the automatic network creator. So, the goal of this project is to automate the complete AIS workflow for logistics and distribution use cases, from data extraction to network dataset creation, locator creation, all the way to the publishing services like route, locator, closest facility, and the vehicle routing problem VRP on RJS Enterprise. So now I'll explain all the capabilities and all the features of the UI. So at the top, the UI connects to the backend using the base URL. And when we give the API key, we can click connect. It will be connected. So when we and we can also select the map version from the database. I have currently selected 2025, and when I click load, I'll get the snapshot of the database. And when I click any plant here and click create, it'll start the whole process pipeline, right from creating the extracting the data and creating the network data set, and then creating the locator and publishing the services. And we can also see all these statuses real time in this process DB table. So this pulls the latest planned process rows from the database and shows the current snapshot time here. And in this table, each row represents a planned process record, including the plant, environment, the run number, the run GUID, and the status of the major pipeline components. So you'll notice the components like NDS status, locator calculation status, and the service status. So this is important because it gives a at glance visibility into where the plant stands, where something is completed, in progress, or failed. So the refresh DB button reloads this process table whenever plant is being run. So the refresh when the refresh is done, we can see the updated values in real time in this process DB table. So if I click plant number and then click create, it'll start the process. So we can see the job status and the job state here, and we can see the real time logs here popping up. And at the same time, the logs will be saved into the database SQL server. So let me click plant 159 and then click create. So it is running now, and we started seeing the logs. And once all the whole pipeline is run, the row updates with the latest run GUID and the component statuses. So operations team don't have to check multiple systems. So we also have controls like delete and cancel, which supports the operational management, like removing or an incorrect record or stopping a run depending on the policies. So the UI turns a complex RGIS operational workflow into a simple, trackable, repeatable process, and the backend ensures consistency, logging, and proper integration with RGIS Enterprise. So once the whole pipeline is run, we can go into that plant 159 folder, and we can see all the services published here automatically.